Steaming hot buddies with layers of flavors. These aloo buddies are totally addictive. To make it easier for you, I am breaking down this recipe in 5 steps. Prepping the leaves, making the batter, preparing the rolls, steaming and frying. Firstly, I am going to prep the aloo leaves, which I had washed and wiped dry. Also known as Taro or Colocasia leaves, these have thick stalks and veins on the backside that need to be taken out first. While buying the leaves, just make sure you pick the fresh leaves, not limp. Next, I am flattening the leaves using a rolling pin as much as possible. This step will help you in rolling the leaves easily later on. The leaves are ready. Let's quickly make the batter. I am taking 3 tablespoons of tamarind paste, 3 tablespoons of jaggery powder and 1.5 tablespoons of ginger chili paste. Let's mix in. Next goes in 3 cups of besan or gram flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 3 tablespoons of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, salt to taste, and 1 tablespoon of white sesame seeds. Let's bring everything together. Now, I am adding around 1 cup of water in batches. You can adjust the quantity of water as needed to make a thick batter that can be spread easily. This should be the consistency. Let's make the rolls now. I am starting off with a big leaf and applying the batter on its backside, spreading it evenly all over the leaf. Next, I am placing another leaf upside down like this and spreading the batter. Lastly, I am taking a relatively smaller leaf and placing it in the same direction as the first leaf. Apply the batter once more. The entire batter applying process is happening on the back side of the leaves. To roll, I am firstly folding the sides vertically to the middle and pressing them to close them. Next, I am applying some batter to both ends and sealing the sides. Start rolling it, bringing both sides together. Use some batter to stick the sides together from all sides. Once the leaves are rolled and sealed, they are ready. You can apply some batter over the rolls also, and this is totally optional. I have made 3 rolls using 3 leaves per roll. For steaming, I have a greased plate on the steamer. Now, I am placing all the rolls here and we will let them steam for 20 minutes. Let's check now. The knife has come out clean. Time to take them off the flame and let them cool down a bit before we slice them and fry. These rolls stay good in the fridge for a couple of days. When you want to have the aloo vadis, simply slice them like this into thick pieces and fry. You can deep fry, shallow fry or pan fry as you like. Hot and crisp aloo vadis are ready. You can serve them with green chutney, and even if not, they taste yummy nevertheless. Until we meet again, eat well, live well and stay blessed.